Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of recipes that have become second nature to us. These are the dishes we've made so often that they've become part of our culinary DNA. From comforting soups to mouth-watering cookies, these recipes are the backbone of our kitchens. So let's hear it from the experts themselves. First up, we've got a recipe that's become a group favorite. It's Alison Roman's squash and lentil soup, a hearty delight that's perfect for cozy nights in. One reader shared a twist on the recipe, using honey nut squash from their garden. Now, on to something sweet. Chocolate chip cookies are a classic, but one reader takes it a step further. They've memorized the recipe and add a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg, creating a cookie that's truly out of this world. It's a testament to the power of knowing a recipe by heart. Speaking of drinks, Sarah introduces us to Dan Pelosi's non-alcoholic Negroni. It's a delightful twist on the classic, made with red zinger tea, orange peel, and a hint of spice. It's the perfect companion while you're putting dinner together. Next, we've got a recipe that's pure magic. Marcella Hazan's tomato sauce is a simple yet exquisite creation. It's a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are the simplest. Ashley shares how this sauce has become a family favorite, with her girls eagerly awaiting the aroma of simmering tomatoes. Now, let's talk sandwiches. Elizabeth has mastered the art of the perfect sandwich. It's a masterpiece of flavors, from the sourdough to the French Dijon and the array of fresh ingredients. It's a half-hour commitment, but trust us, it's worth it. For those who love their greens, Becca shares a kale Caesar salad with poached eggs. The key to its success? Tearing the kale into strips and massaging it for a minute. It's a simple yet satisfying meal that's ready in 20 minutes. And who doesn't love a good cookie? Laura introduces us to Smitten Kitchen's confetti cookies. These rainbow cookies have become her signature, and her 8-year-old son is now a master baker. It's a recipe that's both fun and delicious. For those who love a good meal prep, Andrea shares her go-to buffalo chicken meatballs. They're a convenient and tasty option, perfect for busy moms and teachers. And last but not least, Joanna shares Melissa Clark's cheesy white beans. It's a simple yet satisfying meal that's ready in just 25 minutes. So what are your go-to recipes? Share them in the comments. Personally, I think it's fascinating how these recipes have become so ingrained in our culinary routines. It's a testament to the power of simplicity and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. What makes these recipes so special is how they bring people together, whether it's a group of friends or a family. In my opinion, these recipes are the heart and soul of our kitchens, and they're worth sharing and cherishing. From soups to sandwiches and cookies to meatballs, these recipes are a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are the simplest. So what's your go-to recipe? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.